Whether you're on a physical store or an online store, one of the best ways to reach a lot of buyers is through videos. People regularly watch videos on YouTube or Facebook, so it's natural that if you upload videos there, you can get more people to watch and know about your products. So what you can do is you can create videos of the products that you expect to sell more during Halloween, and then upload it on Facebook and YouTube and optimize their text in a way so that people can find it easily and maybe look at your products and get interested. Now let me give you a quick pointer at how to create a proper video. Now what most people do is they take a video of their good products and then add a good music to it and upload it on YouTube or Facebook. Now that's not bad, people like watching them, but they're less likely to sell. I mean, when people just watch the video, they might just move on to the next video directly rather than finding out where I can find that. Now, one way you can make people curious about buying the product is by interacting with them, as in you have to talk in the video. It cannot be just a video with the music on it. That is why the best thing to do now is to take videos of only those products that you think you can sell more. Now for each of these videos, you need to make sure you tell your viewers what the product is, how to use the product, the best features of the product, why it is perfect for Halloween, and where they can get this at the best price. If you can convey all of those within the video, then there is a higher chance a person will go ahead and look to buy the product. Let's say you created 5 videos, then in each of those videos you have to talk specifically about that product, showing that okay, this is why this product is good and this is how you can use it during the Halloween, and at the end add a small note on how they can purchase it or where they can get it. This is a great way to interact with the buyers who are looking at your product on YouTube or maybe Facebook. Now let me give you a quick example of how to go on about it. Now let's say you're selling a pumpkin lantern. So what you can do is you can prepare a video script before recording the video so that you know exactly what to say while you're displaying the lantern. Now while showing the lantern, here's an example script you may use. It should be something like this. Take a look at this pumpkin lantern that can help you spookify your Halloween. With LED orange lights and a spooky eye shape, this lantern can be the best way to make your Halloween more alive. Place it near the doorway or maybe at the corner of the living room, or just hang it in the ceiling of the porch. Let everyone know that Halloween is here. Go ahead and get your own pumpkin lantern at the Rex shop. You can find the link to order this exclusive lantern in the description below. Let me give you a quick tip. If you also ship your products abroad, let's say internationally, then Twitter is also a great platform to upload your videos, apart from Facebook and YouTube, which two are already the mammoths in the video industry. I would also tell you that paid video promotions are really great in both Facebook and YouTube right now. So you should try that. And Twitter is also improvising on that recently, and many people are using it. So I think you can look into those things if you want to get more views. If you have a lot of products in stock, then it's perfectly sensible to promote them, spending some money, but then promoting a larger group of people. All right. So that's it for this video. Let's move on to our next marketing technique.